Managing Bill4Time Invoicing is a straightforward process that can help you streamline your billing operations and get paid faster. To start, log into your Bill4Time account and navigate to the invoicing section. Here you will find a list of all your clients and projects, along with the option to create new invoices. First, select the client and project for which you want to create an invoice. You can then choose the billing method, either hourly or fixed fee, depending on the type of project. Next, add the tasks and expenses you want to include in the invoice, making sure to specify the date range and description for each item. Once you have added all the necessary items, review the invoice to ensure everything is accurate and complete. You can also add a payment terms and a due date to the invoice. Bill4Time allows you to customize the invoice template to match your company's branding, making it easy to create professional-looking invoices. After creating the invoice, you can send it to your client via email or print it out and mail it to them. Bill4Time also integrates with various payment gateways, allowing your clients to pay their invoices online. To track the status of your invoices, use the Invoice dashboard, which provides a real-time view of all your invoices, including those that are pending, paid, or overdue. Best practices for managing Bill4Time invoicing include setting up automatic invoicing, which allows you to generate and send invoices to your clients on a regular schedule. You should also establish clear payment terms and follow up with clients who have overdue invoices. Additionally, use the reporting features in Bill4Time to track your billing history and identify areas for improvement. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively manage your Bill4Time invoicing and improve your cash flow. Bill4Time provides a range of tools and features to help you streamline your billing operations. From creating and sending invoices to tracking payments and following up with clients. With Bill4Time, you can focus on what matters most, delivering great work to your clients and growing your business.